Okay, I promised you guys some head cam footage. Hopefully that's on there straight. Let's get you some gauges going right here. There you go, got the artificial gauges up. Plug up a little socket holder there. We had the phone charger in. So anyway, so we are running about 72. See up here, 72 miles an hour. See speed limit 80. 72. Okay, that's very important because I'm about to show you something. We are going up a small grade right here, but let's turn this CB down. I made a video here a while back about running rooster cruising across Wyoming, and this ex-cop left me some lewd comments about to be careful about showing speeding and blah blah blah. It could come back and bite me in court if anything ever happened. I wasn't speeding. Just because I was doing 80, the speed limit's 80, it doesn't mean I was speeding. I mean, I don't understand, you know. The speed limit's 80, we're gonna do 80, okay? We're gonna pass this rest area in case someone comes out of the rest area while we are attempting to do the what was you guys call it, the Monfort lane? I think back in the day, some swinging meat haulers owned the left lane. They were notorious for running fast, kind of like where the term rooster cruising and chicken lights came from, was from the New Jersey chicken haulers. Used to haul frozen chickens east coast to west coast. They always had them lights all lit up, and I kept them in the left lane. So anyway, hopefully you guys got a nice view. One day we'll get us a 360 camera. But it's a beautiful day. All my tires, my dry is about 107 and 108. They're set at 100, so that's the where they're on the warm. The steer is at the right one's at 124, left is at 121. So I feel pretty comfortable with running the speed limit day. So let's get on it. Here we go. We could have waited until the crest of the hill, but what's the point in that, right? See you later, Prime. Alright, right there is, well, I'm sorry, we got above 80. There's 81. So, there you go. 82 miles an hour. We can lock that cruise down right there. I think that's about 82. 82, 83. You know, I usually give them, if I'm going to run the speed limit or north of the speed limit, I'll give them 5, you know. So there is the cruise set at 83 miles an hour. We are turning 1,680 RPMs. She's not even breaking a sweat, you know. Tire pressure's still at 107, 108. I love that tire pressure monitoring system. I can keep an eye on my tires. Because these tires are only rated at 75. Well, if we see them starting to heat up, we'll back out of it. There's 109 on that inside tire, 108 on the outside tire. So, yep. So we're still there. Let's check the steers here in a minute. Steer tire 125 on the right, and the left has 121. So, and the reason for that is that there's 3 psi difference in the tire pressure of the left tire and the right tire, and we will get that balanced out. We might do that this weekend while we don't have anything to do. But anyway, so here we are. We are in the state of Wyoming, where the speed limit is 80, and yes, we are speeding Cruise is set at 83. We'll back that off just in case there's any law enforcement in the room today. We do not want to, this says 81, drop it down one more. There you go, cruise set at 80. Everybody's happy now. We're legal, right? Beautiful. Oh, I'm sorry, Monfort truck will be the left lane, right? But we don't need the left lane. There's nobody behind us, nobody in front of us for a ways, but this is the Monfort lane, as they called it, you know. Anyway, our temperatures, everything's good. Look at that miles per gallon. Look at that. See that? You guys see that? Still on the average mark. Running at 81 miles. I mean, come on, dude. We got it going on. Come on. Turbo's at 20. Trans tips at about 190. Rear ends, front, 150. Shoot, man, we're good. We're good. Killing it, baby. We're killing it. Outside temperature 68. I mean, we could do this all day long, you know. RPM 1630. So yeah, we're good, you know. So I mean, we got very little wind today. It's not bad. So it's a good day to be doing the Monfort lane. Monfort. It's a good day for it. I don't like to do this. It's rough on my trailer. Mud flaps are probably back here blowing the wind real bad, especially those two middle ones. I've got to add another bracket, anti-sail bracket on the mud flap. So anyway, I just thought I would show you guys what it was like to go trucking. We are trailer trucking. Is that a phrase? We are getting on down the road. Come on. The old girl ain't sweating at all. We could even pull a grade doing this because we only got 6,000 pounds in the box, man. Beautiful. But tire temperature is still the same, 107, 108. So the tire's not getting warm. We'll go back up here and check the steer tire in just a moment. But yeah, everything's good. Rear end's not heating up. Trans tip's not heating up. Engine temp's not heating up. Oil pressure's staying the same. Coolant's over here. I mean, yeah, everything's great, you know. I mean, the old girl will sit here. Ladies and gentlemen, we have ourselves a left lane truck. Pardon me there with your little Chevrolet Impala while I'll step on past you there. Yes, sir. Hope you guys are enjoying the ride. And so, any law enforcement in the room, we are not breaking the law. We are maintaining the speed limit. Why? Because we can. That's why. Because we can. It's not hurting our fuel mileage. We got a light load, no wind today. Probably flat, rolling terrain. You have front steer tires are still 125, 121. So man, we're killing it, dude. See the fuel mileage, miles per gallon gauge right here. Still pegged out. Of course, we're going, we're not pulling. So as you guys can tell, we have a grade coming up. So for anybody that just sat there and said, well, you can't do that going uphill. Well, yes, I can. And like I said, I already told you, I only got 6,000 pounds in the box. This hill is not going to phase this X15. Come on. This X15 has got it. She's a mean, lean machine. Don't get me started. And I still got fuel pedal left. I can souse down on it and go on up there if I wanted to. I think the governor is at 98. But we're not going to show you 98 because that would be speedy. I think the fastest speed limit in the country is 85. So we could show you 85. Of course, we just showed you 83 a minute ago, but we're not going to. Not today. I think when we get to Utah, it might be 85. I don't know if this part of 80 will be. I don't know. But we got to stop up here in Rock Springs, Wyoming. Is that where we are, Wyoming? We got to stop up here and get a mirror. You guys see that crack on that mirror up there? Y'all see that? We cracked it. Got to get a new one. So anyway, so there you go. I just want to turn the camera on. Get you guys a little high speed action. Doesn't feel very high speed to me though. But the speedometer right here, you guys see that fluctuating? I don't think it likes it. But we're averaging. I mean, according to GPS, according to this little symbol right here, we're holding 80. But I don't know what that speedometer. It doesn't like it. It does not like it. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the nosebleed territory. And we will see you later. Unless y'all want to blow another Prime's truck doors. Show Prime what a... Well, that'd just be me, wouldn't it? But, I don't know where we are. Where are we? Somewhere out in the middle of nowhere. Yes, sir. Anybody know any cool places to stop? Oh, Western Star had that theme going on. We're moving out of the way there, Prime. That's got to be a Prime truck. It's got the trailer tail. Oh, boys and girls, it's fixing to get ugly. Come on. Back out of the Prime, get in the right lane. Come on. Atta baby. Atta baby, look at that. He saw me coming. That is not a Prime truck. No way. This Prime would not have done that, ladies and gentlemen. That is not a Prime truck. See what I tell you? What I tell you? Not a Prime truck. Thank you, sir. Appreciate you. Some beautiful territories tonight. Anyway, the old truck's still doing it. I think we qualify for a left lane, large car, all those other acronyms. Monfort truck. Yes, sir. We are the Monfort truck today. Come on. Okay, I've had enough fun for the day. We're gonna get a little bit ahead of this guy right here. Then we're gonna start backing out of it. Do not want to abuse the beautiful ride. But we're not really abusing it. I mean, look at it. Everything's still pretty. You guys see all them gauges? You guys scan the gauges, check them out. Everything's still perfect, you know? Tire pressure's still good. Trans temps, rear temps, drive temps good. Oil pressure good. Engine coolant. Ah, look. Engine coolant warmed up there. We about 195. So, but yeah, everything's still good. We're gonna start backing it down. Yes, sir. That was fun. All right, there we go. Back to. Feels like we put the brakes on, didn't we? Look at 71 degrees, or 71 miles per hour. So we're done. We'll catch you guys at a while. We're gonna go back to acting more civilized now. See you.